Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger price. First, meticulously calculate the cost of every ingredient that goes into one burger, from the bun to the sauce. Then, factor in your overhead, like a portion of your rent and utilities, plus labor costs. Finally, decide on a healthy profit margin you aim to achieve for each sale. To get precise, weigh your patty and calculate its exact cost. Don't forget the smaller items, like a 2-cent slice of cheese or a 1-cent pickle. Also, include the cost of your packaging, any delivery fees, and a small fraction of your monthly fixed expenses, such as rent or insurance per burger. Once you have your total cost per burger, apply your desired profit margin. Many businesses aim for a 60 to 70% gross profit. Research what similar burgers sell for in your area. This helps you position your price competitively while ensuring it reflects the quality and value you offer to your customers. Pricing isn't a one-time task, it's dynamic. Continuously monitor your ingredient costs as they can fluctuate. Pay attention to market trends and customer feedback. Be prepared to adjust your prices up or down to maintain profitability and competitiveness. Offering a combo meal can also boost sales.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.